Okay, welcome back, guys. It's been, I don't know how long, 4 days since our last video. So this is going to be part 65. For those of you who are joining now, we had 10,000 in our account 2 months ago. So we've got 41K. So it's a 4x since when we started. We had a tough well, we've had a last month has been tough, not going to lie, right? So you can see we had a drawdown the last couple of weeks, and now we're making some money back again. So it hasn't been an up-only P&L curve, right? But I'm very transparent in everything, which I mean, find me one YouTuber who shares their account trades and P&Ls the same way that I do, because I don't think anyone does. I don't think anyone shares this. So yeah, so pretty happy. So up 31K in the last 60 days. You know, this is still really degenerate, right? Like we shouldn't be making 4x on our account. Like we obviously took some significant risks to get here, right? So just bear that in mind. And yeah, our biggest trade, our biggest win at the moment is in hype. You can see we've realized 12K of P&L, yeah, saved on fees. And that's our biggest position by far. Otherwise, we have a bunch of longs on deep L3. We are making decent money on flock. Actually, let's take a look at this. Yeah, wow, we've entered. I actually forgot that I entered all the way down here. I'm gonna close half of that. Yeah, I'm gonna close half the long. There we go. So we closed half of the long on flock. Probably makes sense. I don't know if I want to close out my shorts. Don't think I do. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna close out half of this on PayPay as well. So close short by half. Yeah. So let's see what else we have. I think we've got, let's sort by position size and have a look. So we've got ArcSol. ArcSol. Yeah, I think I'm gonna close this out. So close out ArcSol. We have GHX as well. I'm gonna close out this in multiple orders. Let me close out. I think the position size is too big, so I have to enter chunks. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so yeah, that's it. I'm pretty happy with what we have. Now let's have a look at the market, right? So let's go on BTC. So BTC, we clearly are in an uptrend. That's why I have these indicators. Very easy to see that we are in an uptrend. This was a deviation at the time above the previous all-time high of 109K 951. BTC is looking strong here. I don't see any reason to be selling, especially if, I don't see any reason to be selling. I think any dips are for buying. And then in terms of the altcoins, you guys know that I'm bullish on hype, right? And again, I did oversize in this area, and I did puke a good amount of my position around this level, which is really painful in hindsight, but I was just protecting my downside, my capital. But we did manage, we did obviously manage to catch a good chunk of hype. And yeah, it looks like we're gonna go through all-time highs. It just looks so strong, we're in this uptrend. It just looks so strong. So I think that the plan here is just to hold and wait. Aave as well looks very strong. Super strong uptrend. Again, if you've been watching my content, you know I'm bullish on Aave. fart coin, you know, surprisingly weak. I bought some fart coin around this level. It's, I want to see some strength. I know it's really much a just leverage beta of the risk on environment, and I guess we're not there yet. But yeah, I expected more from Fartcoin. Virtual is looking good. I'm not really sure why it's so strong, but the uptrend, this is the level that you should be buying. PayPal looking strong, ETH looking strong, Sol looking strong. When I say strong, I mean healthy levels, right? Healthy levels. And yeah, hype is my main focus now. It's a bit annoying. I had a ton of hype around this level. Ton of hype. Yeah, hype has done really, really, really well. To me, this looks healthy. We haven't had a blow off top. Nothing like that. Yeah, to me, it looks healthy. This is the previous top. Like that I don't know what this was, but that was something. This candle was quite something special. I don't think we're having a similar pattern. This looks a lot more healthy to me, that we have these consolidations and straight to the upside. It looks very strong. So yeah, that's kind of my game plan on this account, right? I've got probably 50k of long exposure. The rest is shorts. You can see I've got a portfolio of longs and shorts. So I don't think. Yes, I don't think we need to do anything crazy. Yeah, I don't think we need to do anything crazy. So I'm just gonna hold my positions as they are. Those of you asking me in DMs and Telegram, if you want to use these indicators, send me a DM and I'll give you access. It's for anyone who's using one of my exchange referral links. So you won't see this on TradingView. I need to give you access for these indicators to actually to have them show up on your account. So yeah, I'm gonna end the stream here. There's nothing crazy for me to update on. Don't over leverage, don't over trade. Something I still fuck up on, to be honest. I over traded and over leveraged hype in this area, instead of doing absolutely nothing except for just buy every dip. Well, I did buy every dip, but I over leveraged and over traded. I tried to trade it too much instead of just go up only, long only. So something to learn, but at least I'm trying to learn. And then yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys are doing well. This is probably not the most exciting YouTube channel, but it's the most realistic one where I actually show you what I'm doing and I share the P&Ls and all the trade history and everything. It's all real, as opposed to a lot of people just faking screenshots, demo account trading, and yeah, taking multiple positions, taking the same position on multiple exchanges, stuff like that. Can't even click. My mouse is fucked. Anyway, I'm gonna end the stream here and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.